What's up, people? And we are doing a video. Now, walk to another big versus little. And right now, he's the little. But right now, I'm cutting his dick off. You mother trucker! Bitch, I killed her already! Yeah! Suck it! Ow! No more chainsaw. Fist to fist. And you're little. Ah, what the fudge? What the hell? No. What the hell? Fuck it. Yeah, I'm about to. We're both little. We're little Genesex. You're not going to be big. Jiggity. Hell, I like winning. Give me that leg. Yeah. No. Coop that son of a crap. Oh, you a boy? He made me have a physical seizure. Never. Wait, before you do this, I have to tell you this big secret. I had sex with your girlfriend. It was fun. Why did you put that on YouTube? Stupid. Can we just bleep it out then? Who did that?
No, that's mine. No. She said that. No. She said this morning that was mine.
She said this morning that was mine.
Mine, because that's mine. I got it. She said, Jackel, you can have that. She said, Jackel, you can get that Powerade and you can have it. I got it out.
This is the kind of stuff that we
And I gave
have
him
to
some.
have.
Thank me. I will.
So, where were we? Oh yeah, so guess what, guys? I guess I get to live this episode. And to end it, I'm gonna sing. Up and down! You're stepping on my hand. No, that's my favorite thing!
That's my dog.
Song?
That's my dog. That's my dog.
I'm alive! He's gonna kill me! My teeth! My inside! My tissue's falling out. Please subscribe.
My tissue.
My tissue! Oh, snazzle him! Snazzle him! I'd like to kill everybody. Bucket.